Yeah, good morning guys. We are in the Salamander Bay Square. This is a shopping center, you know. Very big parking area this side and on the other side in the front. This is the back side, and at the moment we are here in the Tomari Library and Community Center. I am with Rafael. He's going to print some documents. I have printer at home but there is no ink. Yeah. We are here in the Aldi. I'm going to buy this a battery for my bike alarm. Yeah. And the egg they have here is very cheap. Look at that, $2.99. We're going to take one. So we are here at the Tomari community. No, it's Tomari neighborhood center, and in here they have everything from library, community service, child care. Yeah, something that will help everyone for their needs. Inside the library, they have a lot of computers, a lot of books, of course, and also they do service like photocopying, printing, things like that. Yeah, and as I can see from here, there are many services that they offer. Yo, at the moment we are in a drive-through, and this is my first time. McDonald's drive-through.
Nah, I'm good.
Ganun pala yung wala yung bayad?
Order, bayad, tsaka pick up.
Kahit saan?
Hindi, yung iba, bayad tas pick up na.
Good afternoon guys, we are going to work now. What is that? Oh yeah, nothing. Yeah, we're going to work now. My duty today is 2 o'clock, and this is the place. Oh, the chairs are gone. Yeah, you remember last time I was sit there because there are 2 chairs for I don't know, maybe they brought it back there to their home. If you notice also, I have a new mug here. Yeah, it's sealable. The coffee doesn't spill. You know, yesterday was the first day that I took shower with the door closed. Yeah. For more than 2 years I've been using the toilet, taking shower, sleeping in the bed without closing my bed. No, without closing the door of my room or closing the door of my toilet, of my bathroom. Yeah, because I was just alone. Yeah, because you know I have a housemate, Rafael. Rafael is staying in my apartment until he find one for him. And yesterday, me, Kurt, Chef Alessandro, and Inigo, we went to Berobi Beach. Kurt did a little bit of surfing. Yeah. Oh, I have coffee. I almost forgot. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in one of the restaurants here in Shelby, and this is how it is out there. Good afternoon guys, we are going home now. Today I start my duty from 6 o'clock in the morning, and I finish just now 3 o'clock. Yeah, it was very busy. We did 186 breakfast buffet. Yeah, the usual one is 100, 120, but today 186. Yeah, there's a lot, but it was good, you know, very smooth. No problem, no complaint. Yeah. And also we prepared a lot of things for tomorrow because the person that is going to work tomorrow will be her first time for the breakfast. Yeah, Divina will be working breakfast tomorrow. That's why we made everything ready for her to be, yeah, for her to be easy working tomorrow. We are here now for around 1 hour. I was just sitting here, and you know, a while ago I was tempted to get into the water because yeah, the sun was really still up there, and it feels like it's good to be in the water. Let's check if the water is cold or hot because you know it's humid today, like yeah, 24 something the humidity, which we're going to touch the water. Oh, it's still yeah, still cold. You know, based on my experience, the water here in Australia is always you know, always cold even if it's summer. Yeah, but yeah, it's really tempting to get to the water. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, I was actually just sitting there and waiting for the right timing, and then there is a couple that yeah speak to me. We had a conversation about myself, what I am doing here in Australia, things like that. And then they mentioned that they have yeah, their grandson has like a Filipino. The parents of the girlfriend is Filipino. Yeah, that's what she mentioned. Anyway, it is good here. Sun is setting down. Looks like it is going to be a beautiful sunset because there are so many clouds. It will show the, you know, reflection of the sun later on. And at the moment, a lot of people are having their picnic. You see, a family, they are get together. Get together, is that correct English? Yeah, we're not anymore going to wait for the sunset. Yeah, because it's getting cold. I don't know why the temperature is getting like this now. Maybe there is rain coming. It is now 6 o'clock, 6:05 to be exact. And I'm going to eat. Oh, I will show you. I have a lot of food in here. Look at that. There is giniling. This is corned beef. There is chicken here. There is a chicken adobo. Yeah, there is beer. It's not mine. There is this. Yeah. In the freezer, I have another giniling. This is the one that I cook. And yeah, most of this Rafael is the one who cooked this. Also the beer is Rafael. I don't drink. I don't like. Oh, Rafael also bought rice, jasmine rice. This also Rafael. And yeah, this noodles is also Rafael. Yeah. I'm going to have this boiled egg. Actually, steamed egg coming from the rice. And here in the microwave, I have this. Rafael cooked this one. Yeah, I think Rafael knows how to cook very well. I mean, the Filipino food.